All right, guys. So let's start talking about vertical and horizontal lines. Here's what this says. The equation of all vertical lines is of the form x is equal to a. Guys, every line you draw, there is an equation associated with every line you draw on a graph sheet. There is an equation associated with every line you draw on a graph sheet. Guys, the equation of all vertical lines is of the form x is equal to a, where a is a real number. Guys, the y-axis, which is a vertical line, is the line x is equal to 0. You'll get to see that in a second. So the equation of all vertical lines is of the form x is equal to 0, where x is a real number. The y-axis, which is a vertical line, is the line x is equal to 0. All right, now sometimes this gives students some problem. How is it that the x coordinate is the x, or the x coordinate is the horizontal coordinate, but the x lines are vertical lines? It normally gives people problems, but let's overcome this problem from early, and you'll see what I'm saying in a second. Now, the equation of all horizontal lines is of the form y is equal to a, where a is a real number. The x-axis, which is a horizontal line, is the line y is equal to 0. So let's turn the page. So what are we saying? Guys, here, if I have a vertical line passing through 5 on the x-axis, that vertical line is, the equation of that line is x is equal to 5. Vertical line that's passing through 3 on the x-axis, this is the vertical line, x is equal to 3. This line, vertical line I'm drawing, it's already drawn, I'm just highlighting it, is the line x is equal to 1. The vertical line through -2 on the x-axis is the line, this is the line x is equal to -2. This vertical line here, guys, passing through -4 on the x-axis, is the line x is equal to -4. So if we start from, let us say, this n, here x is equal to 6. If we start from this n and sort of come down, this is x is equal to 6, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Now, the y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. Can everybody see that? The y-axis is the line x is equal to 0. Can everybody see that?
Yes, Uncle.
Guys, please note, the y-axis is a special name that is given to the line x is equal to 0. The equation of the line is actually x is equal to 0, but it is given a special name, the y-axis. The vertical line x is equal to 0 is called the y-axis. Let's let that sink in. Let's let it soak in. Know it, learn it, and it gives you an edge over your friends. The equation of all vertical lines is x is equal to something. Every line you draw on a graph sheet has an equation. If the line is vertical, the equation of the line is x is equal to a number. The y-axis, which is a vertical line, is the line x is equal to 0. Guys, let's talk about the horizontal lines. All right, let's go red. Guys, the horizontal line that passes through 5 on the y-axis is the line y is equal to 5. This would be the horizontal line. Y is equal to 3. The equation of this horizontal line is y is equal to 1. The equation of this horizontal line is y is equal to minus 2. The equation of this horizontal line is y is equal to minus 4. So the horizontal lines are y lines. The equations of the horizontal lines are y lines. So we have what? Y is equal to 6, y is equal to 5, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. The x-axis is the line y is equal to what? Anybody?
0.
0. Guys, the x-axis is a special name that is given to the line y is equal to 0. Now, guys, you can use this knowledge now also to help you determine the coordinates of a point. So let's put in some points. A. B. C. Let's move that one. C. D. So let's go for A. Guys, what is the equation of the vertical line that A is on? What is the equation of the vertical line A is on? Nobody
X
on.
4.
Good. It's on the vertical line x is equal to 4. So the x coordinate is 4. Which horizontal line is A on? Anybody?
6. I mean 5.
Say it again. Which horizontal line is A
Y is
on?
equal to
Very good. On the horizontal line, y is equal to 5. So the y coordinate of A is 5. All right. So this is something that you can use to also use to help you determine the coordinates of a point. All right, guys, let's answer some questions. No, well, there are no questions to answer. I think there would be questions, but there are no questions to answer. All right. So what we have looked at so far is this, guys, that if a line is vertical, the equation of the line is x is equal to a number. So A is an element of the set of real numbers. So this is if the line is vertical. If the line is horizontal, the equation of the line is y is equal to a number, where A is a real number. This is if it is horizontal. All right. So the equation of all vertical lines is x is equal to a number. The equation of all horizontal lines is y is equal to a number. The y-axis, which is a vertical line, is the line x is equal to 0, which is why the x-coordinate of all points on the y-axis is 0. The x-axis which is a horizontal line, is the line y is equal to 0, which is why the y coordinate of all points on the x-axis is 0. All right, very useful, guys, to know, remember, to understand.